Why are there not more people talking about hiccups? Everybody gets them, but nobody seems to know how to stop them. Let's solve this mystery, fast. Okay, so hiccups happen when your diaphragm, the muscle under your lungs, suddenly freaks out and makes you suck in air. That's what causes that weird hic sound. So how do you stop hiccups like right now? Here are 2 science-backed tricks. First, try holding your breath and swallowing 3 times. Seriously, it confuses your diaphragm and can reset it. Or grab a glass of cold water and sip it slowly. The cold and the swallowing work together to calm things down. Bonus tip, don't let your friends scare you. It almost never works. But hey, it's hilarious. Try these hacks the next time hiccups show up. Follow Quirklight for more everyday facts that matter.